you know retirement, but you ain't seen nothing till you roll through the villages, Florida, where the golf carts are souped up, the parties start by noon, and them loofahs, well, let's just say they ain't for exfoliating. Hold on to your pineapples. This one's for the legends. Yeah. Well, I roll into town in my golf cart ride, past palm trees swaying in my ex-wife's side. Met a lady named Barb at the pickleball court. She said, "You play hard." I said, "Only for sport." Then she winked in my mirror and gave it a tap. Said, "You might wanna fix that pineapple flap." I said, "Oh, what's with the fruit?" She said, "Buckle up, hun, you just rolled into Florida's retirement fun." In the villages where the nights are young, and the loofahs on your mirror say what can't be sung. White means you're shy, but black means you're bold and teal. Well, baby, that's the gossip gold. So grab a Mai Tai, let your freak flag wave. At 75, who's trying to behave? We're living it loud, yeah, we ain't no flunkies. Capturing it all with Sky Monkey. There's karaoke Tuesday at the Spanish Springs, and rumor has it Bob got a tattoo of wings. Ethel's in Zumba and Fred's in the band, but on Friday night they've got a different plan. There's a tiki bar buzzing just past the square, where the dentures come out and the folks let down hair. If you think retirement's a snooze and a bore, come to the villages, you'll beg for more. In the villages where the rumors fly and the pineapples wink when you walk in by. Pink means a maybe, blue means let's go, and if you spot a purple, just enjoy the show. So drop that walker, crank up the jam. Who needs Viagra when you got a game plan? We're cruising the streets with our camera flunkies, catching every shot with Sky Monkey. Now don't you judge and don't you mock. We've earned our fun and we own the block. From shuffleboard champs to lifestyle flair, you'd be surprised what's going on down there. In the villages with the loofahs and wine, where the gossip's hot and the sun always shines. We play all day and we swing all night in America's favorite retirement delight. So here's to love and life uncaged. Just don't ask about our pineapple stage. And if you're scrolling reels, check out the funky drone shot views by yours truly, Sky Monkey. Film flown and made famous by Sky Monkey, because if it ain't captured by a drone, did it even happen? Now go check your mirror. I think you forgot your loofah.